Hey guys, it's me, Brian from Echo1 USA, and this is a RMA gun. It's Echo1 ST6, and basically the person was saying, hey, it's not working, and when I plug in a battery it gets super hot. Well, first off, I took off the stock and I noticed super wiggly. Basically, the person was using it and didn't even have this screwed in. So first off, maintenance. Check your gun. I don't see any wires exposed or anything, so that's good. That's good. But when I plug in a battery, you can hear a loud click. And I haven't opened this yet. I just took it out of the box. So if you experience this, hopefully this will help you as well. Let's see. I don't see any tool marks, so I'm assuming the kid was just using it, or adult, and it just stopped working. First thing I'm going to do is check the motor and make sure it's in there correct. It has a large vibration, or strong, and pretty good click. Everything looks good. They're on there snug. So it's something in the gearbox. Let me go ahead and open it real quick and see what's up. Moves freely. Okay, put that aside. And it's time to crank on this. Here we go. Punch pin. Punch. Punch. Mad Bull blue buckings in there. It's good. No jam BBs. Put that aside. And continue. I'm going to use a small, it's a T7, while you guys are asking. Use the little T7 on the mag release button. And then small Phillips up front. That aside, and good. Okay, I see a little bit of dust on the shelf, but that's fine, don't worry. Unlock it, and then I switch to a T8 gearbox screws. And looking at the grease, it's minor wear, you know, everything's normal. So the person was able to use this gun for a bit and then it just stopped. Unsure what happened, but I will find out shortly. And open it. Somewhere on the piston right there. I'm going to go ahead and replace that. Teeth are good. Axle's good. Aha. That's not supposed to be there. So I'm going to say this little screw, unsure how it got in there. So you have the screw right here for the wire harness. This is an extra one, so technically this is a factory defect. And there's a nick right there, so basically it's just fell in there. Could have been stuck on with the motor. Yeah, sorry about that. Let me check everything else, place this. Okay, replace it with a new one, put that aside. You can still use the piston head, so don't worry, but pop in a new one. Okay. And since I'm here, might as well clean it just a smidge. And a simple way, like see how there's a little bit of dirt and grime on there? Simple way is you can use a piece of paper towel or Q-tip and just kind of wipe it off. Electricity can't really go through these little dirt clods of grease and crap. And you can work it in like that. And it's better. Close it up. Okay, and tighten that one. Add a little spring. Make sure it moves freely. Good. Check the reversal latch. It's good. Okay. It shows like no plastic teeth from the previous piston.
We are big scrobblers at Spotify. That probably won't surprise you. So we've made it real easy for you to scrobble too.
Spare bushing goes there, and
no need to install anything.
Let me just double check.
User preferences in Spotify, enter your last
Close it up real quick.
And password. Happy scrobbling. It's time to say hello to social playlists curated by your Facebook friends. With a click, you can discover the music your friends are enjoying right now.
Good to go.
Instant social
You just put it back together and done.
Inside Spotify. If you want to create playlists like never before, just click the banner.
Check the piston, make sure it's lined up correctly. Check spring, 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 spring for the trigger, reverse latch spring, extra bearings right there, and good. Let me close it. Press on the piston just a little, good to go, and time to close it. Okay, let me just put it in the lower. Basically put the lower in and the pistol grip in the motor and see if it's good. I don't know if anything else is broken, like maybe the motor or something like that, but I will find out once I plug it in. Remember, just hand tighten the screws to the motor grip. A lot of you guys are still asking, how do you put in your M4 motor? Love of God, please watch this video or all my other videos. Here we go, watch this. Wire to the red to the front, black to the back, and it's not going to work. What you do is you grab the wire, red wire, wiggle it to the back. It's basically, it comes up, wraps around and up. So now, springy, that's what you want. Plug in the black wire, plug in the red wire, grab the motor plate, end cap, the 2 screws. Put the motor plate in like so, doesn't matter if you flip it or whatever. I go like that, upside down. Small screw up front, there's only so much room. Larger screw in the back, and tighten. And let's see, this puppy shoots. It should, but if not, no worries, got all the parts to fix it. Plug in, just say LiPo. Oh! So it looks like the cause of the gun to stop shooting is a random screw that was in there. Looks like an extra one from the wire harness securing screw. Remember guys, when you're working on your guns, there could be screws stuck on your motor and they can fall into your gearbox. That could have happened here. Unsure, but nonetheless, gun is good to go. Let me go ahead and put it back together, and remember, subscribe to my videos, share with your friends. You might have a friend that has something similar, and thanks for watching.